The overall objective of this experiment is to fluorescently label dengue virus for microscopic studies. Prepare necessary buffers and purify dengue virus with sucrose cushion. Reconstitute the amine-reactive Alexa Fluor dye and dengue virus in labeling buffer. Label the dengue virus with 100 micromolar of Alexa Fluor dye for 1 hour and stop the labeling reaction with the stop reagent. Purify the labeled dengue virus through a size exclusion column. Retitrate the labeled virus by plug assay and estimate the degree of labeling by immunofluorescence assay. Hi, I'm Zhang from the DSO National Laboratories, working in Dr. Hwee's lab in the program of Emerging Infectious Diseases of Duke-NUS Graduate Medical School. Today, I'm going to show you how to fluorescently label dengue virus with amine-reactive Alexa Fluor dye for imaging studies. Alexa Fluor dyes have superior photostability and are less pH sensitive than common dyes such as fluorescein and rhodamine, thus making them ideal for studies on cellular uptake and endosomal transport of the virus. Alexa Fluor labeled dengue virus will facilitate the understanding of dengue pathogenesis. So let's get started. Before the labeling reaction, prepare fresh labeling buffer and stop reagent according to the written protocol and purify dengue virus by sucrose cushion. Add appropriate volume of the purified dengue virus to labeling buffer in a microcentrifuge tube to achieve a concentration of 300 million plug forming units per milliliter. This can be scaled up proportionally for batch labeling of virus. Reconstitute the lyophilized Alexa Fluor dye to 1 millimolar in labeling buffer, just prior to the labeling reaction. Minimize exposure to light from this step onwards.